So for my final project, I made the game called Magic the Gathering, and I made a deck tester for it. Magic is a game based on lands and creatures, and basically just trying to take your opponent's life total down to 0 through attacking with creatures and abilities. So first thing you can do when starting is doing a mulligan, which is either getting a new hand or not. In this case, I'm not going to, so I'm going to hit no. Then the first thing is to draw a card. So as it says, where it says faces, beginning draw. So I draw a card, and then I can play my only land for turn. Then I play a creature and tap the land, and then play it. And then from there, I can play this, and clicking here to activate an ability, I can activate this and it'll tap for 1 land and play that. Then, moving to the next step, I can click on them to use them as attackers, and which will decrease the opponent's life total from 20 to 18. And then from there, I can keep going to the beginning untap step where I untap my creatures. Then it will move me to the draw step where I get to draw another card. So then I'll play my land for turn and play this card for 2 mana, which are like the 2 little symbols at the top. And then from there, I can just continue to play, but essentially the goal is to decrease my opponent's life total to 0, and at the end, it'll give me a message that basically says I win, and yeah.